All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a deposit in the Titan369 platform. All right, so for those of you who don't know, this is the Titan369 platform, and we are about to make a simple deposit into the system. Now, people get confused right at the outset because they don't find the deposit button, but it's very simple. So just follow along and just follow these steps exactly. Now, I want to go on the outset and say there are two different ways to deposit, but we're just going to show the main first way, and then I'll show you the additional second way. All right. So the first way here is after you have made your registration complete. Okay. After you've registered using the referral link that someone sent you, the referral link that was sent you by the person that sponsored you. All you got to do now is just click on swap on the very left hand side. Okay, so as soon as you see this back office, go on the left hand side and click swap right here. Now once you click swap, it's simple as this. Okay, this is where you make your deposit. So what you need to do is, let's say that you want to come in with 1,000 tokens. Okay, each token is equivalent to $1. It's pegged to $1 value. So let's say that you're going to come in with 1,000, or let's say that you're going to come in with 5,000, for example. Okay, now if you come in with whatever amount, that is the same thing as $5,000 of whatever crypto that you're going to come in with, okay? Such as Bitcoin, USDT, or Ethereum. Those are the three different coins that you can select. So this is what you would do, is you simply would select your token. And this is going to show the different tokens that you can come in with, either BTC, Ethereum, or USDT. If you select BTC and then click deposit now, it's going to show you the QR code. Okay, right here, the QR code, it's going to pop up, and then you just scan that. Either scan that with your, if you're doing it on your computer, with your personal private wallet, you can just scan that and send the exact amount of BTC that is being asked for right here. Okay, it's very simple. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can just click copy here. You can even do this on your smartphone. Click copy and paste it in your to section that you're going to send, and send this exact amount of BTC of whatever is displaying for you. Okay, whatever you see in here, whatever number you see in here, you send that exact amount of BTC, not any less, not any more. Okay, and then you have, of course, 1 hour, 2 hours to make the deposit. Now let's say that we're going to do it straight through USDT. Okay, we're going to click on USDT right here, and then what happens is you're going to click deposit now. Okay, let's type in a number first. Okay, 5,000, and then we're going to click in deposit now, and now you're going to select whatever network that you're going to deposit. Now remember, USDT is run on several networks, and two of those primary networks is either the Ethereum network or the Tron network. ERC20 stands for the Ethereum network, and TRC20 stands for the Tron network. Okay, so whatever USDT that you want to deposit, whatever network that the USDT is on, you know, if you need to have a little Ethereum for your gas fees for the ERC20, and you need to have a little bit of Tron for the TRC20 USDT on the TRC20 network. Okay, so let's say that we're going to choose the ERC20 network. Okay, then that QR code pops up, and there you go. You can just scan that QR code if you're doing it from your smartphone across your computer, or if you are on your smartphone, you can just copy it right here and then just put it in the to section and hit send. Okay, so after you've sent the amount of USDT, okay, that they're asking for, in other words, I came in with 5,000, and so what you need to do is type in 5,000, you send that in, and then you just simply wait. Now, it might take anywhere between, I don't know, 2 minutes up to 30 minutes. It all depends on the blockchain, okay? But this is where you're going to see it pop up, right up here, okay? Now, it's not going to pop up automatically. You need to refresh the page, okay? Refresh it, and it's going to pop up right in here in your active wallet balance, okay? So once it's here, once that 5,000 is here, or whatever amount you deposited is sitting in here, in T369 tokens, now you need to purchase your validator, okay? So let me go to the dashboard, and it's also going to be sitting right in here. It's the same thing, okay? You're going to be seeing it right in here, but what you need to do is simply purchase your validator, okay? Well, let me show you how to do that. In order to purchase your validator of whatever you're coming in with, whatever range, after I'm assuming you've already watched the presentation, so you know what you want to come in with, click on validators. Okay, now under validator, simply click purchase your validator. Now, once you're here, you have 5,000, okay? Just an example, okay? Let's say you have 1,000, but let's say we're going to stick with 5,000 because that was the demonstration we're using. So we're going to type in 5,000, for example. Soon as you type in 5,000, it's going to highlight the validator value that you came in with, okay? It's going to highlight it. And now you just simply click purchase, okay? The moment if you have 5,000 sitting in here of T369 and this is highlighted, you hit purchase and instantly it purchases it. Now, where is it going to show up? Let's go to your dashboard right here, and you're going to scroll down. You're going to see it right down here under my validators, okay? You're going to see the 5,000 sitting right here, and then you're going to start making your daily rewards after that based on the staking, because you'll see it right down here and you'll know that you've purchased it. This will be 0 as it's supposed to be, and then all your earnings that you've made throughout every 6 days, those daily rewards will get deposited from your validator balance right into your active wallet balance, okay? And we'll show another video how to withdraw. I've got another video for that, but that's how you do it. Now, let's assume that you wanted to be aware of what fast start bonus you wanted to come in with. It's going to take you to the same place, okay? So first, what you need to do is you just simply do the same thing. You go to swap. Let's say that you're going to make, this is the second way to do it, okay? You're going to do the same thing. You type in the amount that you want, 5,000, select your token, USDT, for example, click deposit now. Let's say TRC20. You send it in, and after you've sent it in, it'll show up soon right in here in the active wallet balance. Same as over here, the active wallet balance. Now, once it's sitting in here, you want to know, okay, hey, how, what fast start bonus do I get? If I want to go by the fast start, just click on fast start here, and then you're going to see the different ranges. You can, right here, you would just simply hit purchase for the $5,000 validator for the fast starter 4. And fast start just simply means that if you get 5 people within 30 days with the same validator that you came in with or greater, then you will get a fast start bonus, and you'll have to look at the chart for that. Okay, so then you just click purchase and it's going to take you to that same place as before. Type in 5,000 and then you click purchase, and there you go, done. Okay, so whatever validator you're going to come in with, that's when you would select, or you just type in the exact amount. Let's say that you're going to come in with 6,731. It's going to be within tier 3 range, validator range right here, because it's between 5,000 and 9,999. Okay, so that's within that range. Okay, so these are ranges. You don't have to come in with the exact amounts of numbers that you see in here. You just simply come in with whatever that you want within those tier ranges. Okay, so the minimum for each one of these ranges is shown in the number below. The minimum is 50, and the the minimum for the largest tier is 100,000, but you can go higher than that as well. But that's the ranges that you're going to get. Okay, so hopefully that explains everything. It's very simple. Just keep it simple. So remember again, step 1, click swap. Step 2, type in the amount right here in this section. Let's say 1,000. The next step is select your token. Let's say USDT that you're going to come in with. Click deposit now. Select the network. Let's say TRC20 this time. Bingo. Okay. Send the exact amount to this address right here. Okay. Whatever address shows for you, not the one on the screen, but whatever shows for you. Send 1,000. And then in about a few minutes to maybe 30 minutes, anywhere within that range, you'll see it pop up right here, but you need to refresh your page until you see it. Once it's there, you'll see it right in your dashboard, You can go right back by clicking switch to wallet, And then actually no, after it's in there, click on validators. Click on validators on the left hand side, click on purchase. Let's say type in 1000 again, and then simply purchase with the 1000 T369 that are sitting in there, and instantly it'll purchase, and now you're ready to go. Then simply go over here to dashboard, copy your referral link that's right up here, and share it with everybody that you know, and let's make everybody happy. All right, take care, blessings, over and out.